Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both platforms. Make sure your phone or camera is charged and Do Not Disturb is on. Open YouTube Studio and the Instagram app and sign in to the accounts you'll use. Once done, set your primary recording frame to 16:9 for YouTube, then plan 2 crops for Instagram so key visuals stay inside both compositions. Start recording a single master clip while monitoring audio levels. This saves time versus separate shoots and keeps performance consistent. You now move into simultaneous capture and marking. Record your master clip continuously, and when a segment fits Instagram, tap or note the timestamp for quick edits later. Use an external mic and stable framing so both outputs stay clean. Monitor audio peaks around -6 decibels to avoid clipping. After recording, save the raw file with a clear name. Then export 2 timelines: a full-length YouTube edit and a vertical or square crop tailored to Instagram, ensuring you finish by uploading both edits. On YouTube, add chapters, a compelling thumbnail and tags, then publish with the 16:9 video. Once done, post the vertical crop as an Instagram reel or post, add short captions, and include targeted hashtags and a call to action. Make sure upload settings match original frame rates and codecs. If you run into sync or playback glitches, re-export both files at the same frame rate and relink audio. This one fix resolves most cross-platform problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.